Black Business School and Black Millionaires of Tomorrow. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I want to say thank you to Nicole for putting together this nice presentation on the board. This is our new whiteboard. We're testing it out, kind of messing around a little bit. And this is her Instagram. It's at NicoleM_507. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
All lowercase.
Okay, now take a seat or don't. So in the Black Business School, this is one of the things we talk about when we talk to kids. And so I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to teach you how to get rich using the word kid. Since you're both kids, we've got an acronym KID. K-I-D. Now, here's how kids get rich. The K stands for knowledge. The more knowledge you take, the more money you make. Kids that grow up and learn how to start their own business, usually learn how to invest, usually make a lot more money. Kids that know how to buy real estate usually grow up and make more money. So, you want to learn how to start a business so you can work for yourself one day. You want to learn real estate. And you also want to learn how to invest. These are three of the most important classes you'll ever take in your life, because this will teach you how to make your money and how to keep your money. Now, the I. What does the I stand for? So let's say you got all the knowledge in the world, but you don't do anything with it. What's that going to do?
Nothing.
Right, nothing, right? That's where the I comes in. The I stands for investment. An investment means that when you get money, you don't waste your money. When you get your money, you invest your money. So you can invest it in buying stock. You should buy lots of shares of stock, right? It means that you should buy, when you buy a house, you should buy a house. It also means that if you get a chance to invest in another business that's run by somebody else, you should do that because you can make money without actually working. So I've had friends that have made investments and they don't go to work at all. And because their investments make money, they make money. That is what they call passive income. Passive income means that basically you sit back and people pass you the income. That's pretty much how you want to break it down. So you want to learn to invest, because when you plant your money, instead of spending it, like a lot of people take their money, they spend it, they go make it rain, they go to the mall, they go buy shoes and all that stuff. Well, you can do all that, but take some of your money and invest it in stocks and bonds and houses and stuff like that. And then you'll have more money. When your house goes up in value, you'll have more money. When your business is making money, you'll have more money, and you can do this without going to work. The D stands for discipline. Now, what is discipline? Discipline means that, imagine somebody who has all the knowledge in the world. They know exactly what to do. They've been taking all the classes, and they've been making investments. But they don't have any discipline, so they don't know how to work hard. When they get money, they just throw it all away. So they get rich, but they go deep in debt, and they just make a lot of bad decisions, and they can't think about their future. They're always thinking about the present. What happens if somebody does that? Are you going to have a good future if you don't plan for the future?
No.
Right. If you don't study hard for today, you're not going to be good later on. You're not going to be able to have a good future if you don't take care of yourself in the present. So when you get older, you want to have discipline. People that have discipline usually have the most money. So if you want to be rich, the three words in the KID model, which is what we teach in the Black Business School, stands for knowledge, investment, and discipline. So, any kid who does these three things, who has plenty of financial knowledge, they know how to start a business, they know how to buy stocks, they know how to buy a house, makes investments, instead of just spending their money on fast food or shoes or clothes, they're also putting their money into stocks and bonds and real estate and into other businesses. And discipline, meaning that you don't always just do what you want to do, you always plan for the future and you prepare for the future. That kid is going to be rich. So the best way to be rich is to really be a smart kid. That's our model. if anybody wants to learn more about our educational programs for children, our Black Business School for Kids, you can go to blackmillionairesoftomorrow.com. That's blackmillionairesoftomorrow.com. We have financial workbooks, financial flashcards, and also a digital curriculum where your child can actually get a degree in the Black Business School, and they'll be put on this path. This is the beginning of the knowledge that we give both the parent and the child to create a powerful economic ecosystem within the family. That's what we do, and that's it. So you guys have a good day. See you soon. Peace.